Today, I'm going to show you three techniques to improve your lo-fi drums and make them sound like the ones that you hear on Lofi Girl. The first technique is messing with time and velocity. If your drums are fully quantized to the grid and every hit has the same velocity, they'll immediately feel robotic, which is completely opposite to lo-fi. So, instead of snapping everything to a grid, I manually adjust the timing and velocity to it. Let me show you the difference. First, we have a quantized one. Now we have the unquantized one. You heard the difference? The second version immediately feels more relaxed and human. That's perfect for lo-fi and the lo-fi girl sound. The second technique to get lo-fi girl like drums is by adding Foley loops for depth. Clean drums by themselves can feel really empty, just like this one. Instead of adding more drum hits, I layer Foley loops that I record using household items like shakers, boxes, footsteps, and other items. Here's how I blend them to my drums. First, I keep the volume really low. Then I add a low pass filter so that they don't clash with the hi-hats or the snares. Sometimes I lightly sidechain them to the kick so that they breathe with the groove. Doing this is what the drum loop sounds like. To cut short this process, I recorded a lot of Foley and put them in my drum kit called Euphoria. You can go check it out from the link below, and all the sounds from this video come from that pack. But none of this works if you don't pick the right sounds, and this leads us to my third point, and that is sound selection. The biggest thing that you can do to get the lo-fi girl sound is by using the right sounds from the start. Preferably soft filter kicks, organic snares, and subtle hats does the job. Let's see this in action. This is bad sound selection. You can hear the kick is harsh, the snare is open, and it does not fit with the track. Now, let's hear good sound selection. See the difference? It's insane. The kick fits perfectly, the snare also is pretty soft and subtle in the track, and the hat barely punches. If you want to get all these sounds and cut short the process, then go and check out Euphoria, a sleepy lo-fi collection. That's perfect for making these lo-fi girl style drums from the link below. And I'll see you in the next one.